guys, girls, and or other. How's it going? QWERTYpounds here, back with some more Lollipop Chainsaw. I changed my outfit. I'm looking all nice and cute. And we are back at the last beat. That's how it's going. Leaderboard and special rewards. Okay.
Ooh, I don't have this one yet.
But I don't know exactly where we are. But went back to the last checkpoint. And so we're just gonna continue, and I'm gonna try and finish this level today. Alright, I gotta focus. Take these guys out. Take these guys out. Sure. Wow, my health is like low. Whoa, 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 no, 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 no. Alright, I gotta eat a lollipop. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, this is where I died. Alright, I'm taking you guys out first. Go ahead and do your little hug there. Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Quit opening and closing the door, dude.
Yeah, seriously, I want to go through there. Go to that place and look at the things that are in there. Hey. Sure. Let's see if I can. Hey, get off me, bitch. I'm trying to remember some of the combos. Is it bum bum? There we go.
I found a new virus. Again and again with the door. It's irritating.
Let's try that. Boom, boom, bam. Hey, I was trying to use a combo on you, jerk. There we go.
Wash your hands!
I gotta use a lollipop once we get through there. Once this loads up. Unless it heals me. That would be pretty great. I would be quite happy if that happened. Nope, we still gotta use one. Give me that. No, we might as well use both of them. We're at the chop shop now, so we can buy a few more.
Killing zombies. God, I love shopping.
Let's grab a couple lollipops.
I found something. What should I get? Click, click.
Crazy way it thrills me, tell you why. Just like the lightning from the sky.
Musical by playing
Click, click.
cheerleader chain. Chain compound dash. That doesn't sound like very good. Click the cheer text followed by contrast. Rust.
What should I get?
It's gotta be something I can afford, obviously. Which is this one. That's it. So I'll just skip that for now. Alright, we don't have any more outfits to get. So let's upgrade a bit.
Click, click.
Why? What is the point of platinum medals? Like seriously, what are they used for?
Click, click.
let's go with the
What should I
Punching
get?
Monkey
Check
cereal.
this out.
Crazy way it thrills me. Tell you why.
Alright,
These gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
that is a weird thing for you to say. Alright, we are doing good. Yeah. Alright, what do we got going on in here?
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please.
What the heck?
Hey, aside. Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
God.
My teacher, Morikawa Sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
What is up with this dude?
Yes, Sensei.
Oh, would you look at that? They're wishing me a happy birthday. How nice.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's party time. Partying. It's partying. This is my kind of party. I'm trying to remember the other combo I know. 4 zombies. Sparkle! Alright, boom, boom, boom. Alright, points. Boom, boom. Ah! Stop, stop. Shake it. Ooh, 5. Oh. Shut. Give me all them coins. Give me all them coins. Is that a lollipop? Lollipop! Yay!
Awesome.
Did I kill all these?
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
No blaming fire.
Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook.
Oh yeah, Facebook friends. You can never trust Facebook friends. Facebook is evil. It's an evil place.
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
You need to die. You need to die. You need to die as well. I'm glad they're coming like 1 and 2 at a time. You need to get out of here. Crap, I keep like pushing them into the explosives. You
Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
Yeah, thanks, Nick. I figured that out. Remember, I have been a zombie hunter for longer than you have been a head hanging from my butt. So, I can do without the nagging, alright? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ah!
Oh, man. Oh. If only I had protected you. Oh, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
No flaming fire.
Alright, let's try this again.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Give me this.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook.
For sure, for sure. Facebook friends.
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper
Okay,
on
that
my
did not
birthday.
work how I hoped it would. You get out of here, get out of here. Get away from that. It's a hazard. It's a health hazard. You are a health hazard. Get out of here.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
I should have upgraded strength. Nope. Your turn. Take it to the face. Who's next? Oh, you! What are you doing so close to my cake?
Do not let the
That is
fire zombies
my
touch
cake,
the dynamite.
not yours. It is not fire zombie cake. That is cheerleader cake. Okay, you are a priority. You are a priority. God dang it! Oh, okay. It's a certain number. As long as a certain number doesn't reach. Okay. Okay. You get out of here. You. Damn it!
No!
This is frustrating. It's those running ones. The running ones are obnoxious.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
No flaming fire.
I'm getting kind of sick of this.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Crap. Tricky.
Oh man, this Major League sucks.
Yeah, chocolate zombie. What are you doing, Julia? Oh, no. Bad zombie. Bad zombie. Bad zombie. Oh, get away from that. You're a bad zombie as well. Get out of here. You die. Okay, this dude needs to go.
This Major League sucks.
You need to die. Hey. Alright, we're almost halfway there. Okay, you, come here.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, now I need to chop you away from there right now, and you also away. Get out of here.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
Oh, duh. I'm stupid. Okay, I can do this. Yes. Why did I not think of this? Get out of here, zombies. You suck. You're stupid zombies. Oh, I'm a genius.
Get through the door quickly! Now!
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World.
Who is it?
I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This
Of course, like a
world,
goth kid.
This government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Swan. Goth geek bastard.
Why did you do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now!
Oh, man.
Bingham,
What are you doing, man?
Glory, Yellum, Tobal, Elimor, Forum, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Cali, Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way!
I have a feeling this is gonna go the way
I
he
did
wants
it!
it to.
Alright, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
Think you're dating this kid, a real fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That slow, this slums a zombie hunter.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
Alright then. Oh, where are we going?
Oh, hell!
I'm punk rock zombie Zed! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze!
I like this guy. Alright, I'll go.
Wow, what happened here?
I'm gonna rock your brains
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Literally!
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you can do that.
Yeah, I think you can do a little bit better than that too, right? Though, to be fair, you aren't really the brightest. I mean, I love you. You're great. You're a great gal. Great gal. But I think you might need to pay attention a little bit more in school. Although you don't really have school
Look out!
anymore. Give me them coins. Jump.
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
That's hardcore, bro. That's hardcore.
His voice is mega irritating.
Hey, how's it going?
How do you like
I'm gonna kill all of you. Hey, hey. Hey. Take this. Take it. Take it to the face. Eat it. Eat chainsaw. Hey, that was not nice, bruh. Not cool. Alright, I get to pom-pom this. Let's do some pom-pomming. That was not a pom-pom. That was my foot. Give me that.
I'm drooling.
your face gonna be a sweet do-rag?
We made a stage from all the cars in San Romero.
Oh my god, total waste of a Volvo.
For sure. Why Volvo? Why Volvo? Alright, let's get through here.
Welcome to the big show!
Well, whoa. Oh crap.
Juliet, I'll love you, baby, always.
But how did I get that wrong? How the heck did I get that wrong? I am a derp. I am such a derp. But I think that might do it for this episode. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, I'd very much appreciate it if you leave a like, comment some feedback, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will. Ow!
We made a stage
Ow!
from
Stop
San
it.
Romero.
I will see you guys later.